Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the countless weight loss plans out there? Unsure of where to begin? Well, hello, I'm Dr. Jerome Cordova. With over a decade of medical experience, I've seen countless patients struggle with weight loss. They get bogged down by the myths, quick fixes that oftentimes lead to disappointment. That's why I founded Viva IV Therapy, to offer a unique, science-backed solution. The internet is riddled with weight loss myths. While many diets might give you initial results, did you know that 95% of people who lose weight through dieting regain it in the first 1 to 5 years? A new approach that boosts your body's natural ability to burn fat, ramp up metabolism, and rest assured, our weight loss peptides undergo a rigorous testing, safety, and efficacy. And the best part, peptides are natural, they're safe, and when married to a balanced lifestyle, they work wonders. Weight loss isn't just a physical journey, it's an emotional one too. So from the initial consultation to celebrating your weight loss milestones, we ensure you're never alone in this journey. So how do you get started? First, you book a free consultation where one of my staff members learns more about you, your goals, and your lifestyle. Next, we put together a personalized treatment plan tailored just for you and your overall health and wellness goals. Finally, the treatment begins and you'll start seeing results in as little as 3 weeks. So are you ready to kickstart your weight loss journey tailored just for you? Well, connect with us for your free consultation and let's turn that weight loss dream into a reality.